Deep within the Earth's crust, under immense pressure and over eons of geological time, nature crafts its most exquisite treasures. These are not always the familiar sparkle of diamonds, but often something far rarer, far more enigmatic. Today, I invite you to journey with me, Alison, as we unearth the stories of crystals so scarce, so uniquely formed, that their very existence is a testament to the planet's extraordinary alchemy. These are the hidden jewels, the whispers from the deep, whose breathtaking beauty and profound rarity often eclipse even that of the most well-known gemstones. We often hear of diamonds, their brilliance marketed, their value proclaimed. Yet the Earth, in its boundless creativity, has forged other crystalline wonders. Gemstones whose names might be unfamiliar, but whose allure is undeniable. These are the true connoisseur's choices, the collector's ultimate quests. Their scarcity means they are seldom seen, their stories rarely told. We shall explore 5 such marvels, each a masterpiece of natural art, each holding a secret of the Earth's fiery heart waiting to be revealed. Prepare to be captivated by hues unseen, by tales of discovery that rival any adventure, and by a rarity that redefines our understanding of preciousness. These are not just stones, they are fragments of our planet's history, condensed into forms of breathtaking light and colour. Join me as we delve into a world where beauty is measured in scarcity, and value is determined by the near impossibility of existence. This is the realm of gemstones, rarer and more valuable than you might ever have imagined. Payite, once the rarest gemstone on Earth, is a mineral of profound scarcity. Discovered in the mid-20th century, its story is one of patience and serendipity. Payite is a borate mineral with trace elements like chromium and vanadium. For decades, only a handful of crystals were known, making it more a museum piece. The original discovery in Myanmar set the stage for Payite's legendary status. Arthur C.D. Payne first recognized its unique nature in 1951. For nearly half a century, only 2 faceted Payite gemstones were known. The deep red hue of Payite is one of its most captivating features. This color is a product of trace elements within its hexagonal crystal structure. Payite forms in skarns, metamorphic rocks created at the contact zone between magma and carbonate rocks. Each crystal is a tiny fragment of a moment when everything was just right. While more Payite has been found, it remains exceptionally rare. Many newer finds are small, heavily included or not of gem quality. The search for Payite is arduous, often in remote terrains. Miners sift through tons of earth, hoping for a glimpse of that reddish hue. The value of Payite is astronomical, particularly for clean, well-coloured stones. Prices per carat can soar into the tens of thousands of dollars. Though some smaller Payite crystals are in bespoke jewellery, they are more commonly in private collections or museums. A faceted Payite is a conversation piece, a link to a story of geological improbability. Payite stands as a symbol of true rarity, a benchmark for other scarcities. Its deep, enigmatic colour and discovery story ensure its place among the world's most extraordinary natural creations. Our next marvel, Taffite, carries a rather charming story of accidental discovery. In 1945, Count Edward Charles Richard Taffite, an Irish-Austrian gemologist, purchased a parcel of what he believed to be spinels. One particular mauve-coloured stone caught his attention, exhibiting properties inconsistent with spinel. Intrigued, Count Taffite sent the stone to the British Museum's Department of Mineralogy for further analysis. Experts confirmed his suspicions. This was not spinel, but something entirely new to science. The gemstone was subsequently named Taffite in his honour. Taffite's chemical composition is a complex blend of magnesium, beryllium and aluminium oxide. The range of colours for Taffite is quite enchanting, typically spanning from nearly colourless to mauve, violet red, pink, red and even a rare brownish green. The most prized hues are the vibrant pinks, violets and reds. For many years after its initial discovery, Taffite remained incredibly scarce. Most of these were found in existing gem collections, having been misidentified as spinel. The primary sources of Taffite are alluvial deposits in Sri Lanka and Tanzania. It has also been found in smaller quantities in Myanmar and China. Its rarity cannot be overstated. It is estimated to be over 1 million times rarer than a diamond. Finding a taffite crystal of significant size and good clarity is an exceptionally rare event. Most faceted taffites are under 1 carat, and stones over 5 carats are considered museum-quality rarities. Despite its rarity, taffite is durable enough for use in jewellery with a Mohs hardness of 8 to 8.5. However, due to its extreme scarcity and high value, it is more often found in specialised collections than in everyday adornment. When it is set into jewellery, it is typically in bespoke, high-end pieces designed to showcase its unique beauty and rarity. It is a whisper of elegance, a subtle yet profound statement of discernment. Taffite serves as a reminder that even in the most unexpected places, nature's wonders await discovery. It is a gem that hides in plain sight, a testament to the keen eye and curious mind. Chapter 3. Red Beryl, the Crimson Ember of Utah. We now venture to the rugged landscapes of North America, specifically to the Wawa Mountains of Utah, the primary source of one of the world's most coveted and rarest gemstones, red beryl. Also known as Bixbyte, this gemstone is a fiery testament to the unique geological conditions that can occur in specific isolated locations on our planet. Red beryl is the crimson variety of the mineral beryl, a family that includes emerald, aquamarine and morganite. However, while its cousins are found in various locales worldwide, gem-quality red beryl is extraordinarily restricted in its occurrence. Its vibrant, intense red color is due to trace amounts of manganese substituting for aluminium within the beryl crystal lattice. Unlike emeralds, which are often treated to enhance their clarity, red beryl is typically left untreated. The discovery of red beryl is credited to Maynard Bixby, who found the first specimens in 1904 in the Thomas Range of Utah. However, these initial finds were typically very small and not suitable for faceting. It was not until 1958 that Lamar Hodges discovered gem-quality red beryl in the Wawa Mountains. The geological conditions required for red beryl's formation are highly specific. It crystallizes within cavities and fractures of rhyolitic volcanic rocks. The rarity of red beryl is truly staggering. It is estimated that for every 150,000 diamonds mined, only 1 crystal of red beryl is found. The Ruby Violet mine in the Wawa Mountains remains the only commercially significant source of gem-quality red beryl. Due to its extreme rarity and high value, red beryl is primarily a collector's gemstone. While it is hard enough for jewelry use, faceted stones are usually set into custom-designed pieces. Each piece of red beryl jewelry is a unique statement, a wearable piece of geological art. Chapter 4. Grandidorite, the teal enigma of Madagascar. Our journey now takes us to the island of Madagascar, a biodiversity hotspot that also happens to be a treasure trove of extraordinary gemstones. Here we encounter Grandidorite, a mineral whose captivating bluish-green to greenish-blue hues evoke the tranquil beauty of tropical lagoons. Grandidorite was first discovered in 1902 in southern Madagascar by Alfred Lacroix, a French mineralogist. He named it in honor of Alfred Grandidier, a renowned French explorer and naturalist. Chemically, Grandidorite is a complex magnesium-aluminium borosilicate. Its distinctive color is primarily attributed to the presence of iron. Transparent, faceable Grandidorite is exceptionally rare, with most occurrences being translucent to opaque. For much of the 20th century, Grandidorite was known primarily from a few localities in southern Madagascar. However, a significant discovery in 2014 near the town of Tranomaro brought new attention to Grandidorite. This new deposit yielded material of unprecedented transparency and size. Despite this find, gem-quality Grandidorite remains incredibly rare and highly prized. The characteristic color of Grandidorite can range from a pale sky blue to a deep teal. The most desirable stones exhibit a strong saturation of color combined with good transparency. Extracting Grandidorite is often a challenging endeavor. The deposits are frequently located in remote areas and mining is typically done by artisanal methods. Due to its rarity, particularly in transparent facet-grade quality, Grandidorite commands very high prices in the gemstone market. The pleochroism of Grandidorite is a fascinating characteristic. Depending on the crystallographic orientation, it can display different shades of blue, green, and even near colorless or yellowish hues. Grandidorite, with its serene yet vibrant colors, is a gemstone that speaks of distant shores and hidden natural wonders. Chapter 5. Alexandrite, the chameleon of the gem world. Alexandrite, a variety of chrysoberyl, is renowned for its dramatic color change phenomenon. Discovered in the Ural Mountains in the 1830s, it changes from green in daylight to red under incandescent light. This unique behavior is due to its chemical composition containing traces of chromium. The dramatic transformation is a key factor in its value. While new sources exist, Russian Alexandrite still sets the quality standard. Its rarity and high price mean it is often set into fine custom-made pieces. Large, fine-quality Alexandrites are exceedingly rare and can command high prices. This dynamic quality ensures its enduring appeal and its place among the most coveted treasures. Chapter 6. The Earth's Hidden Spectacles, a Legacy in Stone. And so our exploration of these extraordinary gemstones comes to a close. From the deep, smouldering reds of Payite to the captivating color change of Alexandrite, we have journeyed through a world of incredible rarity and breathtaking beauty. These are not merely minerals, they are condensed narratives of geological time, each crystal a testament to the precise and often improbable conditions required for their formation. Their value lies not just in their scarcity, but in the wonder they inspire, a tangible connection to the Earth's profound and often hidden artistry. These 5 gems, Payite, Taffite, red beryl, Grandidorite and Alexandrite, represent but a fraction of the lesser-known treasures our planet holds. They remind us that beyond the familiar gleam of diamonds, there exists a spectrum of natural wonders, each with its own unique story, its own captivating allure. Their rarity makes them precious, but their beauty makes them timeless, coveted by those who seek the truly exceptional. If this glimpse into the Earth's hidden spectacles has fascinated you, I encourage you to continue your journey of discovery. Please like this video, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the remarkable world around us. For further information on these incredible gemstones and to explore more of nature's wonders, do visit our website or follow us on our social media channels. Until next time, may you find beauty in the unexpected.